It's windy. I live in the middle of the desert. Hi everybody, thank you for watching. I'm about to tile the floor, but I am completely out of supplies. I have no thin set, I have no grout, I need spacers. So I'm making a trip to the hardware store today, which is like 3 hours away. I'm gonna go to Lowe's and try and return the compressor because when I took it home, it had one tire and needed two to stand upright. And so I couldn't even stand it up to use it. I'm gonna be doing a little shopping, going out to eat. So I hope you guys enjoy following me around. I'm ending my day at one of my most favoriteest places to eat, Texas Roadhouse, and I love the steak. It's delicious. Hi everybody! Today I'm going to take a trip to the City of Rocks. It's been such a long time since I've been there. My mom took me when I was really small, but I remember it being a lot of fun. So we're going to head over there. Also, I know there's a hot springs on that same road that I've never been to, so we're going to go check it out. It's $5 a day for the day use from 6 to 9, and it's $10 for the night. This is called a prickly pear, and people actually eat the fruit, and they make jams with them too. And they look like they're ripe. They got little spines on them, so you gotta be really careful. See? Lunchtime. And there's no better place than this beautiful rock formation campground. Mmm, cream soda. Mmm, that is good. Mmm. I remember my mom bringing me here when I was younger, and we loved this place. We were little kids and we would run in and out of the rocks. It's a really cool place to check out. I think that's a beehive. They're going in and out of that tree. Wow. I'm gonna try squeezing through here. I don't know if I can do it. That was a tight squeeze. Ah, it feels so good. Might as well try and get some cardio in while I'm at it. This looks like a cave. That's awesome. Keep you dry when it's raining. Whoa. This heart is for all my subscribers. Love you guys. This cave. They say these rocks were formed 30 million years ago by a volcanic eruption. They're so cool and they're so big. Can you see why a kid would have a blast here? Just running in and out of the rocks, jumping over them. I'm having so much fun and I'm pretty old. This place is huge! There's all kinds of these cool little crevices everywhere. There we go. Now I'm gonna go check out the hot springs and then come back and set up camp. I'm here and I'm gonna go all the way to the Big Dipper. Feels good. So relaxing. The water feels really good. It feels so good. Hot springs are supposed to be really good for you. It helps soothe aching muscles, like after a long day of nursing or DIY projects. The minerals in the water are absorbed by the skin, which stimulates circulation, and it's so relaxing. It relaxes every muscle in your body. I highly recommend it. If you guys haven't tried one, you have to go to a hot spring. Find your nearest hot spring. Just doing a quick Snapchat. Make sure to add me if you haven't already. I died and went to heaven. That's what it feels like. I never want to leave this place. But tomorrow I have to start tiling the shower floor. Back to work. I don't want to leave, but I'm going to head back and set up my tent. Adios, amigos. Thanks for following me. Till next time.